In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Asana, a must-know skill in 2025 for efficient project management. Let's delve into this topic to ensure you're able to visualize your projects clearly and manage your timelines effectively. First, let's open up Asana. Go ahead and log into your account, and once you're in, select the project that you want to display as a Gantt chart. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything we'll be doing next, so make sure you have the correct project open. Once you've got your project up on the screen, head to the top menu and switch to the timeline view. You'll find this option quite user-friendly, and it instantly transforms your list of tasks into a Gantt-style chart. The timeline view is particularly useful because it offers a visual representation of how your tasks are scheduled over time, which can be incredibly helpful for tracking progress and identifying potential bottlenecks before they become issues. Now that you're in the timeline view, it's time to add some details. Click on any of your tasks and you'll see options to set both a start date and a due date. Once these dates are set, you'll notice that each task will stretch across the timeline just like a bar. This function allows you to easily see the duration of each task at a glance, providing a clearer picture of your project's schedule. With the dates in place, let's move on to organizing and adjusting your tasks. One of Asana's great features is the ability to drag and drop tasks directly on the timeline. This makes adjusting your schedule quick and intuitive. If you need to change the length of a task, perhaps due to changing priorities or resource availability, simply extend or shorten the bars to reflect the new duration. This flexibility ensures that you can easily adapt your project plans as circumstances change. To wrap up, understanding how to navigate these steps in Asana will empower you to manage your projects more effectively. Creating a Gantt chart provides a comprehensive view of tasks, deadlines, and workloads, ensuring that everyone on the team is aligned and informed. With each task clearly mapped out, you can easily spot overlaps or potential delays, giving you a proactive approach to project management. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a Gantt chart in Asana. By following these steps, you can keep your projects organized and your team on track. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.